Give Jesus what is for Jesus, and give Caesar what is not even supposed to that motherfucker. Yeah? The governments are coming down. You're gonna enjoy your life fully. Look, the guy, no shirt. Lovely. Because you're free. Fuck governments. Fuck Caesar. Fuck Italian motherfuckers. Fuck. What, I can call them what? Oh, Basilica. They pretend to follow the Yeshua Mashiach, but they are deafened. Fuck those motherfuckers. Live your life free. Fuck Caesar. You can call the security to come to me and ask me why I'm saying that. Fuck Caesar. No one loves tax. I know you're not happy with the tax. So fuck Caesar. Give Caesar what is for Caesar. And give Jesus what is for Jesus, which is your intentions, your love, and everything else. Materialistically, fuck Caesar. Fuck Caesar. I'm going. Oh, brother. I'm going to hell because fuck Caesar. Where's my music? Network is trying to fuck me up, innit? Put my fucking music. Yeah, now we talking. Fuck Caesar, brothers. Fuck Caesar. Fuck Caesar.
Station, Maryland. Mind the gap between the train and the platform.